Fanbasis versus Stripe. Let's start with Fanbasis. So Fanbasis is a monetization platform for creators, athletes, and influencers to offer custom experiences like shoutouts, video calls, live sessions, merch, and digital products. Stripe, on the other hand, is a global payment infrastructure platform that powers payments, billing, subscriptions, and online commerce for businesses, SaaS products, and marketplaces and platforms. Now, let's talk about their pros. So Fanbasis offers a built-in specifically for creators and influencers. It also sells personalized experience, services, and digital products. They also have a fan engagement tool which has one-on-one calls, DMs, Q&As, and shoutouts. It also has easy to use and no tech skill required, and it helps grow a fan base while earning. Although it has some limited control over back-end customization. Now, Stripe, on the other hand, is trusted by millions of companies worldwide, like Shopify and Amazon. It supports global payments, subscriptions, and invoices. It also has a powerful API and developer tool, and it integrates with almost any tech stack, and it's scalable for startups to enterprises. However, it's not tailored for creators or experienced selling, and it requires a developer setup for advanced use. So in conclusion, choose Fanbases if you're a creator, athlete, or an influencer looking to sell custom content and shoutouts, and go with Stripe if you're interested in a tech-driven business and need flexible payment APIs.